We were able to
What was that biomarker that connects to dementia that you had looked at and you said, oh, actually, this looks pretty good.
Test that you can do.
What is that? Can you talk a little bit about
this
that?
ApoE testing, which is a kind of...
ApoE.
It's called ApoE. We don't have to go on what that all means, but basically there's different varieties. There's a 2, a 3, and a 4. And if you have a 4 and a 4, that's the high risk. But there's a lot you can do to actually prevent it. Now we know that Alzheimer's is preventable, that by an intensive lifestyle therapy, you can even slow it down or even reverse it. And we can actually now look at that ApoE in everybody. And we wanted to know for you because we're like, well, are you at risk? And what do we have to do something different proactively so you don't end up getting dementia when you're 70 and your kids are still relatively young and you can't remember their names, right? That's not fun. Right. So we now actually have even blood tests that are blood biomarkers. One's called p-tau217, which looks at some of the proteins that get released when you have Alzheimer's in your blood. And you can...
That's what I took.
Yeah.
Right? Yes.
And we can look at that. And if you don't have that, you're clean. And you can combine that with the ApoE testing and the brain imaging. And so you get a 360 view of what's going on. We have all these conditions that really can become things that we don't die from anymore, that we can pick up early, that we can then change the trajectory of. And so we found out you actually had what we call the jackpot gene, which is the opposite. You had like the ApoE2, which is the gene that means you kind of live a long time. The people who like smoke and drink and live forever. Yeah. You're kind of one of those. Although you don't have the 2-2, which is the true jackpot.
Wait a second. So if I'm understanding